Morning breaks over Hanoi, finding our four companions huddled over breakfast. The previous night's humidity has retreated, replaced by a momentary peace that none of them truly trust.
Well, good morning. Thought I'd come out here and just have a look at where we are now. So this is the hotel we're in, the Hotel Babylon. We're here for 2 nights. We were here last night and again tonight. And this morning we meet all our travel partners and people on our tour, and we're going on a walking tour. Then the rest of the day is at leisure. It's actually quite cool. It's very breezy this morning. I'd say it's probably only about 23 degrees. Oh, it's actually saying 27 on my watch.
The day's first mission is a foray into the urban labyrinth, as the men venture out to secure provisions.
We're on a mission to find Brad some thongs and my wife a fan, as in a, cooling fan. I think I've just found my place to go and check out later today, if it opens. The craft beer. Pasta Street Craft Beer. We've worked out that the Google Translator is essential around here, so we're looking for footwear. Come on, Brad, you can do it, mate.
Brad, having spent several minutes studying the chaotic, swarming patterns of Hanoi's motorcycle traffic with the intensity of a grandmaster, executes a successful street crossing to join Damian. In Hanoi, crossing the road is less of a pedestrian rite and more of a high-stakes game of Frogger, played with real-life consequences.
Okay, we might have found something here. Not in there. Let's look at these stands. No, grab another one, mate. That one looks like it's got a loose thread.
Damian eventually secures a specific fan for Melanie, a peace offering that ensures his continued survival within the group.
This will do for Mel. 25. Right, so it was no go on the thongs. They were too small, but we've gotten smarter. We've taken a photo of the thongs, and we simply just go up to the storekeeper and show them the photo. Might be in business here. They're all slides though.
Brad, however, encounters a uniquely local problem. His notably large feet have proven to be an anatomical anomaly in a country where footwear appears to be designed for hobbits.
Oh, Brad. Whoa. Flip-flop.
His search for locally available thongs, flip-flops, ends in failure, leaving him to contemplate the reality of a world that simply does not cater to a size 12. The full Tripper Deal cohort assembles under the watchful eye of Dat.
Okay, we met our group. Here they are. And we're on our little walking tour through the streets.
Everybody, so once again, let's go together. Stick to me, nobody pass me, okay?
Their guide asserts his local dominance by leading them into the humid embrace of a tourist-free market. This is a vibrant, unfiltered hub, selling everything from fresh meats to exotic vegetables.
So here we are at a sort of an undercover market.
Unfiltered, in narrator speak, means the group is treated to a sensory experience involving the sights and smells of a butcher shop that doesn't believe in refrigeration.
Probably won't be buying anything, but just interesting to look at.
A short walk provides a shift in tone at the Quan Thon Temple. This historic Taoist site offers the group a chance to stand still, a rare luxury in a city that seems to be entirely on wheels.
Right now, all the buildings over here occupied by the government, like a government office or some state leaders, some country. And that's why right here, you can take a photo, but you can see the side there, the round side over there. So from that, no more photos. So please put away your phone, your camera, while I go there.
We're coming up to a point in this road where we have to turn off our cameras, and nobody knows why. Apparently it's because the sign says so. So off you go.
Following the formal tour, the four adventurers hail a taxi to experience the independently mobile phase of the holiday. This involves the triple crown of travel milestones: exchanging currency, negotiating with a local driver, and luxuriating in the blessed sanctuary of air conditioning. Their destination is the celebrated Train Street. Here, the team navigates narrow alleyways, looking for a spot that offers both cold drinks and a minimal amount of aggressive entrepreneurship from the local hawkers.
What's up? You do iced coffee?
Okay.
So many options for you.
Cocktails?
Cocktail, yes.
You want a cocktail, Mel?
Yes, cocktail.
Have you ordered
Whiskey sour? Yeah.
a hot one?
Margarita.
They do iced coffee.
Is the water okay? Singapore Sling. I got told not to have it. No. I changed my mind. I'm going to have a peach tea.
Alright, we're doing Train Street. Hanoi Train Street. It's on its way. We've ordered our drinks. We're having egg beer. What do you reckon, guys? Wowzers. So that's like an egg white.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, but it's egg white.
Yeah. Egg on top.
Oh yeah. You like egg white?
No.
It is a drink that sounds like a dare and tastes like a confusing breakfast.
Now try and get some of the beer without getting on your nose.
Brad generously offers his wife a sample of the local specialty.
Yeah, you try some of the rum.
No thanks.
Mel swiftly cuts Damian's offer short.
There's him.
The imminent train approaches, passing close enough to give the travellers a free haircut.
Wow, how was that, eh?
Brad finds himself grappling with the mental gymnastics of foreign exchange rates. It is a noble effort, but one that is quickly abandoned as they move to their final, sobering destination.
Oh, that was fun. But now we're visiting the old Hanoi prison, which is now a museum. Cost 50,000 dong to get in, and here we go. So we got to imagine this is an old prison. So you imagine, you know, the cell blocks upstairs, perhaps. Oh, it's interesting.
The day concludes at the Ha Giang Prison Museum. Known infamously as the Hanoi Hilton, the site provides a stark, harrowing depiction of life for prisoners of war.
Okay. Alright, I probably won't film much in here because let's take it in.
It is a moment of profound reflection, standing in silent contrast to the light-hearted chaos of the city outside. A reminder that while our travelers are currently worrying about foot size and egg-based beverages, this city has seen far darker days.
Tonight we've doled up a bit. We are going out to see a show and a dinner. There's my honey with a off-the-shoulder kit. Number. Kit. Number. And I've put a shirt on with a collar. So we're about to go downstairs and meet the rest of the crew, and we'll see you there.
5 minutes. What are you playing about? Come on.
Come on, get your shirt on.
Yeah, look at it. Got to play the game of golf.
Brad, look at me. We got to go. Okay, we're on our way. We're on our way. We have our guide and we follow the flag. So we've entered this part, a new part of the city we haven't seen yet, and it's exciting. It's like there's a bit of a younger crowd. There's you know, there's still motorbikes everywhere and everything, but I don't know. I'm excited to see this show tonight. This dog. Careful, buddy. Careful, buddy.
He's into it. Loves it.
He knows how to travel. Wow, it was jostling through all the stalls. This is actually pretty cool fun. I think we're here.
Yes, this is our theatre tonight.
All right. Two little hotties taking photos. Ooh. Tour guide here.
Bring the flag.
Don't lose his flag, will you?
We're just coming apart.
We're heading into the auditorium. Nice.
Bay khắp ở đây bà con ơi, thế tôi ra đây có phải xưng danh không nhỉ?
Wow, the water puppet show. If you get a chance, you got to do it. It was so much fun. There's like 10 or 15 different little stories, and you don't know what they're saying because it's in Vietnamese, and you can do a translation headphones, but we didn't bother doing that, and we could sort of understand it all. We had a ball. It was great fun.
In the next episode, we judge roadside Vietnamese coffee, say hello to a cat, take a walk down a road, learn about bananas, visit a war memorial, high-five some local kids, almost get wiped clean off the road, discover misty mountain peaks and roll the dice on dinner.